It's been exactly a month since I submitted my budget to the state legislature. It was a fiscally responsible budget. It is one that takes into consideration the fact that our administration has been left with tens of billions of dollars in debt and unfunded liability. Depending on who you ask, it's somewhere between $30 and $70 billion in unfunded liability. To put it in perspective, that's between 3 and 7 times our entire state budget, everything in our state budget, from our schools to our roads to our police protection to you name it. Every service, every cent that this state spends in the course of a year is about $10 billion. We have got to take this seriously. We have 4 choices. We can either ignore the problem, which is what we've been doing for year after year after year. We can tax everybody more, which nobody seems to want. We can stick it to our children and grandchildren by borrowing money and letting the future figure out how to pay for today's problems. Or we can cut our spending. I'm simply asking our state to consider doing exactly what those of us in the private sector have to do in our own homes. It's what those of us as business people are required to do day in and day out, year in and year out in our own businesses. It's being responsible. This is what we're calling for. I want to be very clear. There is no chance that I'm going to sign a budget bill that borrows money from our children and grandchildren to take care of today's problems. That is immoral. It is irresponsible. And there is no way that we should continue to do this. You cannot pay off your debt by taking on more debt. That is a sucker's bet. It is a loser's game. And the state of Kentucky deserves better than that. The taxpayers of Kentucky deserve better than that. We have the opportunity to be the best version of ourselves. We have the opportunity in Kentucky to get our financial house in order, to build a better, brighter promise for the next generation, not to stick them with more debt. So to that end, I'm asking for our House and our Senate to come together, remembering our state motto, united we stand and divided we fall. We must be united in being fiscally responsible, in taking care of the future generations by being financially responsible today.